So welcome back, guys. As you can see over there, I've just let the first round young birds out. It's actually their first time being out in the rain, so let's see how that goes. I'm still keeping the second round birds inside because those two big ones and the tame one are still really sick due to adeno, so yeah, still gonna keep those inside. Might go inside the loft and scare some out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that now. See, these are still, that one's also really sick, and of course the tame one right there. Let's get these guys out. Let's open this window as well. Let's see. Just put a little bit of pressure on them. Try not to scare them too much. So these guys will probably have to go through that one. Go, 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 go. Or not. One of the few red bars we have. I think we only have 2 of those, and then 2 more with like shells on them, like that one, but in red. Yeah, you can go also as well, or not. Let's see. Yeah, of course, whoops, there they go. And that one we got it back from someone else. I think that one went a little too far and got lost, so we just got it back the other day. That's why it won't fly as well. And I think that's one. No, that's not it. With the half a toe, we have one that has half a toe. Yeah, some went a little bit farther. Oops, why are you doing that? Yeah, so, oh yeah, and I also wanted to talk to you guys about something, because the Belgian government just announced that you can actually start training young birds from, I think it was yesterday or something. There's one. So it won't leave the top loft. So we're probably gonna start training the young birds one of these days. I think maybe tomorrow or the day after, because it's going to rain quite a lot. Oh, look there. I don't know if you can see it. Nope, you can't. That's actually one of the neighboring fanciers that has his pigeons out. But yeah, as I said, we will be training the young birds from now on. The second round is still stick, so we won't train them yet. But the first round seems to do okay, even now. Yeah, why won't? I don't know why this keeps getting out of focus. They're actually flying really low, which I don't like. I like to see them fly up high. I really pull away from the loft. I think, yeah, this one is gonna be, Jesus Christ. It was a pretty nice landing. That's a blue bar with white tips. Might actually be the brother of the first round brother of these two. As you can tell, these two are the ones that are really sick. See, they might even die, who knows, but they're really sick. This rainy weather is actually a bit better than the hot weather we had last time, because yeah, pigeons don't like to fly when it's really hot. So who is on this loft? You, that's the one that didn't want to go outside, and then the one that just came inside with the spectacular landing. So yeah, I'll try to get some more landings on video, but it's quite hard because you don't know when the single ones are dropping, only when the big group drops. And that one, when it comes time to train them, that one will probably get lost because he won't fly at all right now. Yeah, I was just a little too late to get those two dropping on video. But I think now that there's 3 sitting, some more might join them. Look how low they're flying. It's kind of dangerous as well with all the wires and stuff hanging. Oh, he just went inside. Was the one sitting on the left. Oh, let's see. Oh, no one dropped. Jesus Christ, one is gonna hit that wire, I swear to God. It's not even that much of a headwind. I don't know why they're flying that low. Oh, look at that one way in the back. Might not be ours. Oh, looks like someone else has his pigeons out. Camera just, oh yeah, there they are. Won't reach quite as far. That's the neighboring pigeon fancier I'm always talking about. That's actually, that was the best pigeon fancier on the 200Ks last season, so yeah. Federation level as well, so that's quite impressive. But he's always had really good pigeons. You can look him up. His name is keulemans. So yeah, I think it's also due to the a little bit colder weather that they won't fly quite as far. But usually they would merge with that those pigeons over there. Because it's not that far, it's like below 1K away from our loft, so they should merge normally, but they won't at the moment because it's quite cold. I see it'll get a little bit crowded on top already, so these ones will try to drop but won't go all the way. Actually quite nice to see that they go inside without some feet. Well, some of them at least. Look at the white one over there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to call him inside right now. Let's take a closer look at ones. Look at how he's breathing. That one. Look at his throat. That's a sign that they're a little bit too fat. But it's also a sign that they were only flying in circles, which is basically not a very good training. Oh, there's a big. Let's get a big one. Looks like the feed is almost empty. Yeah, I'm not gonna set the camera up somewhere. I'm just gonna try to do it first person. Oh, look at that one. The one thing is really tired when they drop their wings like that. It's a sign that they're really tired. But yeah, let's try and get them in. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Quite a nice bird, that one. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Let's give him a little bit outside. I think this camera films a lot better up close than it does farther away. But I think I'm gonna get a new camera soon. Look at, they don't like the small ones as much. Actually a lot are already inside. Only two sitting up there. That one seems to be a little bit sick maybe. He's stepping weird. They seem to be healthy enough. Oh, whoops, still have to close that. They're coming back outside. No. Fuck. Those brown ones never really flew that well for us. I don't really know of a brown one that flies well, but they don't for us either, so... Go, go, go! That's the one that flew out again. Whoops. Oh, looks like it's getting a little bit crowded. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's one blue bar that only wants to go outside, inside through this thing. Oops, can't get it off. Dad always with his great ideas. Things that's not able, that's not good if it gets wet. But it doesn't matter at all, so. Go. So from what I can see, it's still 8 birds outside. So I think those sitting on the far away right there are actually not our birds. Or maybe they are, I don't know. I can't really tell from here. Ours have like a little green ring, as you can see, on their left leg, and that one doesn't seem to have it. In the second round, the birds have the red ring. But yeah, I'll wait a little bit. I think the cockbird is one of ours though. So yeah, see, look at those droppings. That's still really bad. Let's give these guys a little bit of feed. Where's the sick one? Oh, there's one, and yeah, that's the one I fed yesterday. But it's starting to feed on her own. Yeah, see. But I did have to force feed her this morning, so that might be some progress. I don't know. Whoops. Yeah, I don't really care about the amount I give them now. I just want these birds to get healthy, so they get a lot. So let's see about what's happening with these ones. You can just tell by the smell alone this loft is way cleaner. The other loft has a kind of a sour smell to it. I don't know. Yeah, and these have a very healthy appetite, which the other ones don't. That's actually the brother of the ones that are really sick. Already starting to fight. Yeah, I'm not gonna give them too much anymore because my dad still needs to feed them for the evening. I thought I saw her. No, that probably wasn't her. I think I might just drop some feed on the floor. It might be easier to pick for the sick birds. Try to not drop it in some droppings. Yeah, see? Out of all those birds you can really tell which ones are sick. Which is that one and that one. Just by how they're sitting. Look at the small one. Actually a really nice bird. I just held her. Really rounded chest. Really small. A really small hen. But I think that's the kind of bird that would do really well on a longer race. Because she's from a good bloodline of ours as well, so... Oh, looks like those three are actually of ours. Yeah. It'll take a while once these get inside. So they all came inside. And the last one, I thought it might have hit something because it was sitting, walking kind of weird. But yeah, I think they're all inside now. Not gonna count them all, but just gonna do a visual check. Look, we put this little swing in, but they won't sit on it. Probably because it's too low. I don't know. Sounds like we have a lot of cockbirds this year. Yeah, they look to be all here. Yeah, everything looks quite good. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Press the like button, subscribe, and see you next time.